As the days grow shorter and the air fills with the scent of spices and roasted treats, this historical city transforms into a living postcard. We wanted to feel the magic ourselves, and now we are taking you on a walking tour to see the sights, sounds, and foods you cannot miss. You can't talk about Christmas in Prague without starting right here, in the old town square. Almost immediately, the warmth of the scene pulls you in. Wooden stalls line the square, decorated with garlands and lights, offering everything from handmade wooden crafts to traditional Czech gifts. The air itself is thick with the smell of Christmas. You get cinnamon, clove, and sweet gingerbread, all mixed with the smoky aroma of meat roasting over open fires. One of the stars of the market is Trdelník, a spiral pastry cooked over flames, rolled in sugar and nuts, and often filled with chocolate or cream. Nearby, stalls serve hot drinks like mulled wine, hot mad, and punch, perfect for cold days. Children gather around sweet stands, while adults linger with steaming cups in hand. At one corner of the square, we notice a small ice rink, adding a playful touch to the market. Just steps away, a small stage is set to hold seasonal performances, while towering above everything, glowing angel-shaped light decorations are all over the square. As we wander, the historic surroundings quietly told their own story. We pass the church of St. Nicholas, its Baroque dome rising above the festive chaos, and the Marian column recently restored, standing as a symbol of faith and resilience. Nearby, the imposing Jan Hus monument watches over the square, a reminder that even during celebration, Prague's deep history is always present. Of course, no visit here is complete without stopping at the Astronomical Clock, and we timed it perfectly. We paused as the clock came to life, drawing a crowd eager to watch its short but iconic performance, a moment where medieval craftsmanship meets modern wonder. There is an observation bridge in the middle of the square, and from up there you get a panoramic view of the whole scene. The Christmas tree is sourced from a different region of the Czech Republic each year, and it completely dominates the square. From here, it's easy to get lost in the winding side streets. Just a short walk away is Havel's Market, one of Prague's oldest marketplaces that just gets a festive makeover for Christmas. It becomes especially charming, with smaller stalls selling sweets, fruit, and traditional goods. Along the way, shop windows are glowing with festive displays, including a delightful candy shop featuring a toy train filled with sweets. A scene straight out of a holiday movie. Our walk continued past beautiful decorated cafes and restaurants, where a pizza place stood out with its playful holiday decorations, proving that Christmas spirit reaches every corner of the city. It's amazing how quickly the atmosphere in Prague can change. We then made our way toward the Old Town Bridge Tower, where the medieval architecture frames the winter atmosphere perfectly. From here, the city feels timeless. Our journey takes us over to Newtown, where in Republic Square we explored a smaller Christmas market. Alongside food and drink stalls, we found vendors selling fur-lined vests, winter hats, and cozy accessories. Some hats even decorated with animal faces and ears, bringing smiles to people passing by. We also passed the stunning municipal house, its Art Nouveau facade adding elegance to the festive scene. Finding these little details and local spots is exactly why we love to travel. It's about looking past the main attractions. What makes Prague's Christmas market special isn't just the food or decoration, it's how they blend into the city's history. Medieval towers, grand churches, statues, and squares don't feel like backdrops, they are part of the celebration itself. The markets stay open until January 6th, giving you plenty of time to wander beyond the main square and discover smaller and equally charming markets. Thank you for joining us on this festive walk through Prague's Christmas market. Let us know in the comments below what was your favorite Christmas market experience in Prague or anywhere else. We would love to hear your stories. Stay warm and enjoy your travels. See you all next time.